Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this square Weld-On top-wind pipe mount swivel jack with the footplate and a 7,000 pound lift capacity. Now this utility jack will let you raise or lower your trailer. It is ideal for agricultural and commercial applications. It is a square jack, so it provides more side load capacity than your standard round tube jacks. The outer tube is a black painted outer tube, has a width of about 2.5 inches. The inner tube is a zinc finish on it and has a 2¼ inch width. I do want to zoom in just to show you a couple parts up here. It is a Weld-On installation, has this included female pipe mount. It is a tubular swivel design, so it lets you twist the jack up for storage and then down for use. Basically all you do is pull this pin out, and then this female pipe mount is what will be mounted onto your trailer frame. So with your jack in there, all you have to do is twist it up parallel to the frame, drop your pin back in there, and it'll secure it in the storage position. And when you want to use it, just pull your pin back out, swing it down like it is now, drop your pin in, and you're ready to use it. If you notice, the pull pin itself is attached to this lanyard, so you won't get lost. You always have the pull pin available. And again, you just drop it in and push it all the way down, and it'll hold it into place. The handle right up here at the top is a top-wind handle. Has a nice black claw grip on it for comfortable, easy cranking. If you crank it clockwise, it'll raise it. If you go counterclockwise, it lowers it. And the handle will easily fold away for storage. You can just flip it over just like that. Handle radius on this is going to be about 9¼ inches. On this side here, if you look here, you can see there's a built-in grease zerk fitting, and you can attach a grease gun to that and it'll lubricate the internal components of the jack. Zoom back out. The drop leg right down here, this will allow for increased lift, saves time when raising or lowering. You can just again pull this snapper pin out and drop the drop leg down to make up a lot of the lift you'll need, and then put the pin back in. The foot plate is welded on, so it minimizes sinking in the ground, and is zinc plated for corrosion resistance. A few specs on this jack. The lift capacity we mentioned is 7,000 pounds. The support capacity is 8,000 pounds. The foot plate on the very bottom here, the dimension on that, it's going to be right about 7 7/8 inches by about 5 7/8 inches wide. The pipe mount diameter, outside, this is the female pipe mount that goes welds onto your trailer frame. Overall outside is 3 inches. Inside is 2½ inches. And last measurements I want to give you is the jack height, which will be measured from the bottom of the foot to the center of the pipe mount. When it's fully retracted, that's the position it is in now. It'll be right at about 14½ inches. If we crank this all the way out, extended position is going to measure from the ground to the center at 29 7/8 inches. So it's going to give you, the jack will lift about 15 3/8 inches. If you want to add this 13½ inch drop leg travel, it'll give you a total lift of 28 7/8 inches. But then again, just to show you, flip the top wind handle, crank it, and it'll raise your jack and go counterclockwise, and it lowers it. And once you hit it all the way lower, it'll stop. You just flip the handle over. But that should do it for the review on this square Weld-On top-wind pipe mount swivel jack with a footplate and a 7,000 pound lift capacity.